The price of a Xiaomi TV varies depending on the model, size, and features. In India, for example, Xiaomi offers a wide range of smart TVs, starting from around 15,000 to 20,000 rupees for budget-friendly models like the My TV 4A series with HD or Full HD resolution. Mid-range models such as the My TV 5X series with 4K UHD resolution typically cost between 30,000 to 50,000 rupees, depending on the screen size ranging from 43 inches to 55 inches. For premium models like the Mi QLED TV series, which offer advanced features like quantum dot technology and Dolby Vision, prices can go up to 1 lakh rupees or more, especially for larger screens, 65 inches and above. Prices may vary slightly based on location, discounts, or ongoing sales, so it's worth checking platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, or local stores for the best deals. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.